Good morning students. Yesterday we discussed about some basics of optimum receiver. Now let us consider an example for an M-array baseband PAM signal set in the basic pulse shape G of t is a rectangular as shown in the following figure. The additive white Gaussian noise is a zero mean white Gaussian noise process. Let us determine the basis function ft and the output of the correlation type demodulator. The energy in the rectangular pulse is calculated to be a square t, where t is the time period for 1 bit duration. Here we see that the PAM signal set has a dimension equal to 1. There is only one basis function ft given by the equation ft equal to 1 upon root of a square t into gt. So its value is equal to 1 upon root t for 0 less than t less than capital T, otherwise it is 0. The output of the correlator type demodulator is R is equal to 1 upon t 0 to t rt dt. The correlator becomes a simple integrator when ft is a rectangular, and if we substitute r of t, we get the equation for rt as sm plus n of t, where n of t is the noise associated with the additive white Gaussian noise. The noise En is equal to 0 and the variance can be calculated as N0 divided by 2. And also we can express the probability of the symbol received at the reception with the probability density function as shown in the equation. Instead of using a n correlators to generate the variables Rk, we may use a bank of n linear filters to be specific. Let us suppose that the impulse responses of the n filters defined as hkt is equal to fkt minus t, where fkt are the n basis functions and hkt is equal to 0 outside the interval 0 to t. Then yk can be expressed as the integration of 0 to t r tau then fk of t minus tau. If we sample these outputs of the filters at time t equal to capital T, then we obtain the output of the receiver. The filter whose impulse response ht is equal to s of t minus t, where st can be assumed to be confined to the time interval 0 to t, and it is a matched filter to the signal s of t. An example of a signal and its matched filter is shown with the diagram. The signal s of t and it is represented with the impulse response of the matched filter. The response s of t is equal to s of t minus t, which is the time autocorrelation function of the signal st. Note that the autocorrelation function yt is an even function which attains a peak value at t equal to t, which indicates the presence of the symbol. The matched filter demodulator that generates the observed variables Rk. The properties of the matched filter are as follows. If the signal s of t is corrupted by the AWGN, the filter with the impulse response of the matched to s of t maximizes the output signal, that is SNR ratio. The proof of this property, let us assume that the receiver R of t consists of the signals S of t with the 0 mean, and suppose that R of t is passed through the filter impulse response. Then we can obtain the Y of t as Ys of t, Yn of t. This problem is to select the filter impulse response that maximizes the signal to noise ratio defined as SNR. SNR equal to, the equation is as shown. Denominator SNR depends on the energy of h of t and it maximizes the output SNR of h of t. Maximizing the denominator subject to the constant that the denominator is held constant. The proof of this can be done with the help of the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. If G1 of t and G2 of t are finite energy signals, then with the equality, that is G1 of t is equal to C into G2 of t and arbitrary constant C, and we get the clear picture of the SNR maximization. So this proof can achieve the signal to noise ratio to the extent that the energy in the waveform S of t, it is related to the output of the filter, and it defines the characteristics of the S of t. The frequency domain interpretation of this matched filter will give us the response of the filter with respect to the transmitted waveform. And when we get the spectrum of this signal multiplied with the basis function, we'll be able to get the frequency component with respect to the symbol transmitted. On the other side, the phase HF is negative of the phase S of F.